Good morning, y'all. It is my birthday. It's my birthday, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not going to vlog a lot today because I really want to be able to enjoy my day. I don't want to keep pulling the camera out to try to show y'all what's going on. I love y'all, but I don't want to do a lot. It's gonna interfere with me enjoying my day. But I'm going to vlog a little bit for you all today because it's my birthday. I'm turning 26 today, October 10th. Me and my twin brother, Jacory. Happy birthday, brother. He is also turning 20. Well, of course, he's turning 26. Okay, we both are turning 26 today. And it looks ugly outside like a little bit. But we are going white water rafting today. Like, it's not that cute outside, but it's still a nice view. Y'all know this view lit. But it's kind of ugly outside, but we're going whitewater rafting today. And okay, so I'm gonna vlog a little bit for you all today, and then I'm gonna let y'all see me get ready. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of my birthday celebration, and probably not a lot. It's gonna be muted because of copyrights and stuff, but yeah, I will see y'all. So this part actually happened yesterday, the day before my birthday. My sisters got up, they cooked breakfast for us. It wasn't much because it was just the 8 of us. I really wanted a big buffet of breakfast, but they did their thing still. Later on that day, we went zip lining. Oh my god, y'all, I was super scared, but it was a very exciting experience. I played some air hockey with Davin, and then we had some shots to just celebrate going into 12:01 10:10, and then after that, because I wanted you to make me breakfast and you didn't. That's why. I made you breakfast yesterday. You want me to make you breakfast? Today is my birthday, bodyguard, not your servant. And you only fixed you some. I wasn't planning on cooking breakfast and dinner today. What time are you making that? The dinner? When we come home. Want to make me breakfast? You want to make me breakfast? Cereal. Look at this fireplace, y'all. It looks so sexy. Views. If y'all want a full cabin tour, watch my other video because I put up a full cabin tour. Say something. Say something. I'm supposed to say something. Hello. Y'all, we about to go whitewater rafting. Y'all probably like, why she got on there? But it's kind of cold out here, so this the place we about to go. Davin got on all this. I don't know how he gonna whitewater raft. So y'all, we just got done rafting, y'all. Y'all can see my hair look a mess. This leave out ain't right, but I'm gonna let y'all get ready with me when I get back to the house. We're about to head to Walmart to get some more food because I'm having my birthday dinner and we're having a club night afterwards. And I'm 26, bitch. So this is the finished birthday look. I didn't get a chance to record the whole thing for y'all because I was in a rush. It was like 10 o'clock when we had my birthday dinner. It was already pretty late for them. I'm gonna say for them, y'all, because my sister them met like some grandma sometime. But this is the decorations. They decorated the dinner area of the cabin. We had some steaks, potatoes, and stout salads, and some Minute Maid juice, honey. We had to ghetto it up a little bit. But the decorations were very, very nice. I was really happy, and I really wish I would have gotten a chance to record the whitewater rafting because it was really fun, y'all. We was the only black people now. We were the only black people zip lining and everything, but
It was really fun whitewater rafting and zip lining. This was an all black affair. Here is my sisters giving me my Pandora charms. They got me some sister charms, and my sister gave me a card as well as a Visa card. Those are both my sissy poos. And this was an all black affair, y'all. I told everybody to dress in all black. My twin brother is down there at the end. If y'all can see him, y'all gonna see him a little bit more when he turn up in the vlog. This is us right here, y'all. I'm sorry if I keep saying y'all. Y'all know I'm kind of country a little bit, but I turned on the lights. This is all our liquor. As y'all can see, I love me some Jose Cuervo. I had to Jose Cuervo it out. We also had some 1800. This is us. We made my sister be my bottle girl. We set the alarm off in these folks' cabin, Lord. But my sister was the bottle girl. She put on her fishnets, and my boyfriend, he put on his little... My other sister was supposed to be the bottle girl, but I don't know what happened with her. But we done set these folks' alarm off, y'all. Of course, we took some shots. We did some dancing. We turned up. I even made the kids come upstairs because my sister-in-law and my sister, they started boring me a little bit. So I was like, the kids, come upstairs. This is my twin brother. He's dancing, enjoying himself, having a good time, y'all. Like, he was turned. This is us having another shot. I think I was taking shots the whole time. And this is towards the end of the night, y'all. My boo, he hooked it up a little bit. The water rinsed out a little bit out the tub, but he hooked it up for me.
So y'all, it's the morning after. I'm gonna insert a few clips. Of my turn up last night, but yeah. I told you I wasn't gonna record too much because I didn't want it to interfere with me actually having fun, because you know, keep pulling out the camera, it just be too much. It really do. And then I'm just gonna clean up our room because it's a mess. We got stuff everywhere, y'all. I gotta clean up. It's a mess. I want to try to make it look like when we first came in here. We got hookahs and stuff all over that. It's just all right. Ring light. Yeah, I need to clean up and still try to recover from last night, y'all, because I was gone. I ain't even gonna lie. But yeah, I'm about to clean up and then I'm gonna see y'all later.
Damn, look at this. Base every time. I can get base anytime.
Well, it's light to now. That's why I said we're not gonna do it late.
Yes, I can stand out here and get base every time.
Okay, so the door is base.
What door? That one.
That one.
Creating dance too.
Aaron ain't gonna be mad about it, but they're ugly anyway though. They're real ugly. They need to change it out.
That's on all of them. The one in there.
It's all hard. I can't believe you did that.
What?
I thought Dirk did that. Y'all, they gonna sue us.
There's another rug up under here.
It is. Oh, so that's what I just feel like.
I ain't never had them. Get the rug, baby.
It wasn't that good.
Baby, you want to play hide and seek?
That was short and simple. No.
Alright, y'all ready?
Y'all ready, Pooh Bear? How long you giving us, Pooh Bear, to hide? 20 seconds? That ain't long enough, Pooh Bear.
20 seconds?
Like 15. Yeah. 20 seconds is enough.
20 seconds enough?
For real?
It might not end up being
Can you shut your...
This is a cat.
Yes, it's big. No going outside. You got all the rooms you can hide.
This a cat.
Anywhere in here you can hide. And Pooh Bear, you gotta you probably need to go outside until we hide.
So what's base though?
Man, he gonna be hearing us. He gotta go outside. The door is base.
This a cat.
So he needs to get here then.
Huh?
Start at the base.
We have to start at the base?
But it's a
The
cat.
person's count got started at the base.
Yes, outside. He gonna go outside though, but everybody else gotta end up right there. Come on, y'all, making this difficult. This the hardest hide and seek I ever seen.
I gotta get up. Get up.
Pooh Bear gotta go outside at some point.
My leg.
You gotta go outside at some point.
Hey, I'm
All right, the 20 seconds starts Right now. Go. 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 He outside. Go. 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 I'm trying to see where the hell I'ma hide. Shit. I don't know where I'ma hide. Dude, that girl. He gonna look down there. Oh shit. I'm trying to see. I'm finna go behind now. I'm gonna go behind TV. Can you see me, Patricia? Oh shit. Shh, Davin, shh. Davin, we only got 20 seconds, hush. We coming out. Oh shit, oh shit.
It's so weak. I'm snitching, bro. I'm driving.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Come on, up.
Yeah. Well, I didn't think you even went on the bottom level.
I didn't know you were coming out.
Kaya! You still got love for
I
Kaya.
heard y'all running up here. I'm gonna try.
You better go find Kaya.
He was standing right here. He was taking
Bro, I'm scared. My legs are shaking.
Where she at, Pooh?
She get caught from what? That's a good hiding.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out, Kaya. Come out, Kaya. I'm trying to get you a little hit. So y'all, today is our last day here. We leave tomorrow morning. We have to check out at 10. I really enjoyed myself this weekend. This was a very lituation birthday thing. We did the rafting, we did the zip lining. So if y'all never went rafting, do it. It's super fun. It's super fun. And I think I was the most nervous and the most scared with zip lining. Zip lining scared me. And it scared me because y'all know I'm chunky. And I didn't know if that line was gonna break, but it was fun, y'all. It was definitely fun. And I really enjoyed myself. We had me a little birthday dinner and some birthday turn up afterwards. We took a few shots and it was just a real good time. And I'm not looking forward to going back home, but you gotta go home. Gotta go clean up my room because I done messed up my room again. I cleaned it up earlier, but then when I was getting ready to take some pictures and stuff, doing my hair and my makeup, I messed it up again. Hope you all did enjoy a little bit of this, even though you all weren't able to see me actually do those activities. Like I said, I'm going to insert a few clips in the inside of this, in the middle of the video. Also, you all can follow me on Instagram at Quoia_Renae, so you can see all my videos there every time I post there, because I'm obviously on Instagram more than I'm on YouTube, which is not good because YouTube pay and Instagram don't. But yeah, so y'all, if y'all want to see the full cabin tour, just definitely make sure that you go look at my other cabin video. I couldn't record the rafting and the zip lining because, you know, you can't have your phone when you're doing stuff like that, and y'all know I'm not gonna take my camera in some water to go rafting. So but I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Don't forget to subscribe, Leave a comment down below what else you all want to see on my channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye.